Hey guys, it's Dwayna, aka Glamazon1026, and welcome to the Glam Room. Today we are going to do a fall grungy glam look because fall grungy glam is great. Like, what else? I went to a 90s party a couple months ago, maybe like beginning of September. I went as a grungy girl. So I had like my No Doubt t-shirt on, I had like ripped up jeans, I had what's it called? A plaid shirt on, so it was just like super grungy, and I was like, oh, that's cute, I like that, we're gonna do that, and I'm gonna do a tutorial on this. So if you want to see how I got this fall grungy glam look, please stay tuned. This tutorial is so easy, I don't even have to zoom in. We're gonna start with the eyes because all of the rest of my complexion work is done. I'm taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Tawny, and I'm going to be using that as my eyeshadow base. I think this is gonna be the perfect base for this look because it's not too bright and it's not too brown. I'm setting this primer with the Derma Blend Translucent Powder. I don't remember exactly what the name is. So for today's look, we're going to be using the Sephora Pro Pigment palette in Warm, and I just love these palettes. Like, I love them so much. They are so amazing. It's 28 super duper warm shades, and the first one I got was the editorial palette, but I've always said if you get these palettes from Sephora and you are a freelance makeup artist, you do not have to buy any other palettes. I think there's about 6 of them now, but they will have every single color that you need. When I usually do eyeshadow tutorials, you guys know I usually start out here in my transition space, but we are going to be putting cocoa on the lid and blending out because we want this to be a really blown out brown pretty look. Pick up a lot of that pigment and just pat it on the lid. So it's almost like we're doing a smoky eye, and then we're just going to blend it outward. I'm actually going to switch brushes to my Morph M505 to start blending this color out. And we're going back and forth between putting the pigment down and blending it out with the clean brush so that we can get a really, really nice gradient on our lid. I'm only adding a little bit at a time. It's easier to put a little bit down and blend it out and then put down a lot and blend it out. You'll be blending forever. I'm gonna do the same exact thing over here, and then I'll meet you back with the rest of the eye. So now that we've done the top half of our lid, we're going to continue on to the lower portion and it's going to be some more of that cocoa color. I am just going to be using the Define Crease brush because it's smaller. So we're gonna put a little bit of that down and then blend it out. I'm going to use that same brush, and I'm picking up Terracotta, which is this color right here, this orange, and I'm going to blend out the bottom of my lash line with that Terracotta so I don't look like I don't know. It's just going to make it, it's going to warm it up a little bit. Now I'm going to take the same brush. I sprayed a little bit of Fix Plus on it, not Fix Plus, Smashbox Primer Water on it so that the shimmer can be shimmery. And I'm picking up Copper, which is this one right here, and I'm going to just put that on my inner corner. Alright, so I changed it. I'm not using Copper, I'm using Bronze, which is this one right here. We're not finished with the eye. I mean, I know that I said that this was simple, but really and truly what's really going to make this look pop is a pop-in inner corner highlight. So I'm going to take Boomin' by Makeup Shayla and ColourPop because this is like the perfect gold highlight. And then we're going to just stick that in here because we want it to be bright. I'm going to shine bright like a diamond. Ooh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So since we have the highlight out, let's just do the highlighter. I'm taking this, I'm just gonna keep using this brush. I feel like I really like it. So for blush, we are going to be using the ABH Trio, Blush Trio in Berry Adore, and we're going to be using the shade Desert, which is this orange color right here. And I'm just going to put that between my highlight and my contour. So the entire eye look is done. I'm going to be putting on the Neme Beauty Rose Lash. I always thought it was Rosé Lash, but I just can't read. So it's been Rose, and I've been calling it Rosé this entire time, but it's definitely Rose. So the whole reason I did this look is because I wanted to use the Fenty Beauty Unveil lipstick. You know that week that they would drop in all of the shades? I bought it then and I haven't used it. It's still in the box. So I'm taking it out now and I'm using it now because this is gonna be, I don't know, this is just gonna be, look at that. Yes, fall grunge. Delicious. Oh, I can't wait. I hope it looks good on me. I'm about to put another coat on because you can see like the pink of my lips under that. So I don't want to see that. I think that's ugly. Now, I get that she started all of her lipsticks with whatever, but she really should have called this hot chocolate because this looks amazing. I am very pleased with this lipstick and I love the formula. I don't use the red one that often, but I just keep forgetting how good this formula is. Oh my god, it looks so good. Looks so great. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's really cute. It's really simple. It's perfect for this time of year. This is perfect for going to meet your boyfriend's family and Thanksgiving. Because you're doing a lot, but you're not doing too much. You know, you look cute, but you don't look like, you know, you ain't coming with like double cut crease, halo. You ain't have to come with all of that. It's something nice and simple and you look like, I don't know, you look like Thanksgiving. It looks good, right? So if you like this tutorial, make sure that you put a thumbs up down at the bottom of the screen. There is a little thumbs up, little clicky thing that you can put down there and that lets Netflix, what? That lets YouTube know that you like my content, and it also helps me know that you like my content, that you like what I am putting out, and it also helps YouTube push my content to you. If you don't like, if you don't comment, if you don't interact, then YouTube will just kind of filter me out of your feed, and you don't want that because my content is amazing. Anyway, also make sure that you subscribe. Subscribe button is right down below. It's that big red block that says subscribe. I need you to click that, and then when it turns into the little bell, click that notification bell so that you can be part of the what? Bang notification gang. It'll let you know exactly when I upload every week. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, if you want to ask me how my day was, if you want to talk about like the weather and, well, maybe not the weather, that's boring. But if you want to talk about anything, just hit me up on Twitter at Glamazon1026. You can also follow me on Instagram at the same name, Glamazon1026. I'm not really as active on Instagram as I should be, but I told myself I was going to change that. I just don't know when I'm going to change that. Anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in my next video. All right, bye.